Right now, thousands of people in the foothills and Sierra are in their 10th day without power. Crews are working to fix the damage caused by the December 26th storm. Nevada County is one of the hardest hit areas, and PG&E told us today they have found more than 1,200 places with damage.
We were home in bed asleep and heard the crash, and it was so violent and loud, and we thought for sure we were going to be dead.
KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri shows us the damage in Alta Sierra and the efforts to restore power there.
Cleanup continues more than a week after a powerful snowstorm blew through Alta Sierra.
All we heard were just trees cracking and crashing all around us. You could go outside, you could just hear the whole neighborhood just ka ka ka. Boom.
Power poles leaning over and power lines resting on the ground. At Jerry Campbell's house,
Right this way.
a startling sight.
So the tree came down, 4 o'clock in the morning, came through here.
One by one, she pointed out the holes where branches pierced through.
And that one was scary.
After a tree toppled onto her home, waking her up.
To see the branches coming out of the ceiling, I just lost it for about a half an hour. I just cried and was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then you just have to get it together.
She went to a neighbor's house across the street until the sun came up and she could get a better look at where the tree came from.
Through the fence right there. And it was 75 feet tall.
She's had to stay at a hotel ever since. The ongoing power outage in the community, the least of her concerns at this point. Still, Campbell says there is one good thing that's come from all of this.
Now we know our community a little bit better. You know who our neighbors are, and we can call upon them now to help with anything.
In Alta Sierra, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
Campbell does have insurance and is hoping that they will cover all of the costs of that damage.